already started pulling the flooring out. But this is the before. Not too bad. The bathroom. Not sure what to do with the tub there. Probably just change the fixtures. I don't know. And then master bedroom, which isn't that bad. Not big, but. And then the smaller bedroom. Not bad. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change all this flooring out. It's got like a nice little, I don't know what that is. Gotta change the range, dishwasher. Got a broken shelf and drawer. Already ordered those. Probably LVP all the way into the kitchen, down the hall, into the bathroom. I'm trying to decide whether I want to go LVP into the bedrooms or just have them recarpeted. I don't know. Might as well just do all LVP. But yeah, not bad. This is unit 1, or actually 2, but 2 of them are already fixed up, so I gotta do 2 of them myself. So that's it. All right, just about done getting the cleanup going. All the flooring in, painted. Kitchen. I repainted the top of this and then got new coils and pans. It looks a lot better. Almost looks brand new. Backsplash. Didn't do much in the bathroom. Flooring. Had to replace the shower, toilet. Put these new doors on. It was an odd size, so I had to double up on those. It's kind of, yeah, it works. This bedroom, just reused the old doors, painted them, new lights. Yeah, not bad. That's it.